Today we are going to talk about lucky bamboo plants and how to grow them. These are one of my favorite plants, lucky bamboo. They easily grow well in water. Here these branches were propagated last week and you can see how well they are growing. And this plant is about 3 months old and it is growing as well in water. So let's see how I'm going to plant them today in soil. Any branches from a healthy plant, and first you can propagate them in water and then plant them in soil, or directly you can put them in soil easily and grow them well. This is a very easy plant to grow and you can use this as an indoor decorative plant or else as an outdoor plant. This is the soil that I have arranged for the pot. It's a garden soil mixed with river sand and some compost. You don't need to worry about the soil too much because these plants will grow anyway in the garden soil, but here we are giving some additional nutrients. So I'm putting them in this pot. This beautiful plant. I don't recommend them keeping in direct sunlight, so you can leave it in indirect sunlight for better results. They grow well and bushy. So let me to keep it with my other plants. Better see that you water it once a day, and regular checkup of soil will be very beneficial for the plant. So that's it for today. Let's meet up with another video soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.